Before you make this Gajar Ka Halwa, remember one thing. I'll share 2 small tips at the end that can save your halwa from turning grainy or too thick, so don't skip them. Take 800 grams of red carrot, perfect for winter and naturally sweet. Peel and finely grate them for a smooth, rich halwa. Heat a pan on medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of desi ghee and pinch of saffron. Once fragrant, add the grated carrots and saute for 2 minutes, stirring gently. Pour in 800 ml of full cream milk. Mix well and let it come to a boil. Cook slowly, allowing the carrots to soften completely. As the milk begins to boil, add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder for aroma and flavor. Once the carrots are fully cooked and tender, add 150 grams of sugar. Stir it until the sugar dissolves evenly. When the milk reduces to almost half, add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee. Follow with crushed cashews, raisins, and another pinch of saffron. Keep stirring until the halwa thickens and turns golden and rich. Turn off the flame when it's slightly thinner than your desired consistency. Now the 2 tips I promised. First, always add sugar only after the carrots are completely cooked. Second, stop cooking at a slightly loose consistency because the halwa thickens further as it cools. This classic winter dessert is brought to you by the Bengal's Kitchen. So, see you in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.